Health Licensing Office, Board of Sign Language Interpreters, Oregon Health Authority, 1430 Tandem Avenue Northeast, Suite 180, Salem, Oregon 97301-2192. Voice 503-378-8667. All relay calls accepted. www.oregon.gov/OHA/PH/HLO. Frequently asked questions. Sign language interpreter medical license. Repealed as of January 1st, 2026. Issued on September 30th, 2025. Overview and background. During the 2025 legislative session, SB 950, 2025 was passed and signed into law by the governor on May 28, 2025. The new law repeals the sign language interpreter, SLI, medical license, effective January 1st, 2026. However, any SLI medical license issued between June 8, 2024 and December 31st, 2025 will remain valid through January 1st, 2029, allowing SLI medical license holders 3 additional years to practice. Beginning January 1st, 2026, the SLI medical license will no longer be issued or renewed due to SB 950, 2025, which repeals this license type. The Health Licensing Office, HLO, has provided a FAQ to help understand how the current law aligns with SB 950, 2025. Permanent Board SLI Medical License. Question 1. When did HLO begin issuing Permanent Board of Sign Language Interpreters, Board, SLI medical licenses? Answer. HLO began issuing Permanent Board SLI medical licenses on June 8, 2024. To obtain a Permanent Board SLI medical license, a person had to apply and provide all required information, meet all qualifications, and pay application and license fees. Question 2. When will HLO stop issuing Permanent Board SLI medical licenses? Answer. HLO will stop issuing Permanent Board SLI medical licenses on December 31st, 2025. Question 3. Does my Permanent Board SLI medical license qualify me for the extension ending January 1st, 2029? Answer. Yes. Your Permanent Board SLI medical license will automatically be extended until January 1st, 2029. Question 4. Do I have to renew my Permanent Board SLI medical license before December 31st, 2025 to have my Permanent Board SLI medical license extended until January 1st, 2029? Answer. No. You do not have to renew your Permanent Board SLI medical license to have it extended until January 1st, 2029. Question 5. Does my Permanent Board SLI medical license need to be active on January 1st, 2026 to have my Permanent Board SLI license extended until January 1st, 2029? Answer. No. Your Permanent Board SLI license doesn't have to be active on January 1st, 2026 to be extended until January 1st, 2029. Question 6. Can I renew my Permanent Board SLI medical license after December 31st, 2025? Answer. No. Starting January 1st, 2026, the Permanent Board SLI medical license can no longer be renewed due to SB 950, 2025, repealing the SLI medical license. Question 7. Can I obtain a Permanent Board SLI medical license after December 31st, 2025? Answer. No. Starting January 1st, 2026, permanent board SLI medical licenses will no longer be issued due to SB 950 2025 repealing the SLI medical license. Question 8. If I was issued a permanent board SLI medical license between June 8th, 2024 and December 31st, 2025, where can I provide sign language interpretation services after January 1st, 2026? Answer. From January 1st, 2026 to January 1st, 2029, you can provide services and settings that the board authorizes without needing extra licenses. The board will set the specific rules related to settings by January 1st, 2026. Question 9. If I was issued a permanent board SLI medical license in 2024 or 2025, can I get a refund or transfer the fees? Answer. No. Once the license has been issued and fees paid, those fees can't be refunded or transferred. Question 10. If I renewed my permanent board SLI medical license in 2024 or 2025, can I get a refund or transfer the fees? A. Answer. No. Once the license has been issued and fees paid, those fees can't be refunded or transferred. Temporary SLI medical license. Question 11. When were temporary SLI medical licenses issued? Answer. Temporary SLI medical licenses were issued between January 1st, 2024 and June 7th, 2024 at 11:59 p.m. There were no fees required to obtain a temporary license issued from January 1st, 2024 to June 7th, 2024. Question 12. When did temporary SLI medical licenses become null and void? Answer. Temporary SLI medical licenses became null and void on June 7th, 2024 at 11:59 p.m. Question 13. Does my temporary SLI medical license qualify me for the extension ending January 1st, 2029? Answer. No. The temporary SLI medical license does not qualify you for the extension ending January 1st, 2029. Limited waiver on enforcement. Question 14. When does the limited waiver on enforcement end? Answer. The limited waiver on enforcement began on January 1st, 2024, ends on June 30th, 2026. Question 15. If I choose to work under the limited waiver on enforcement and do not obtain a permanent board SLI educational, medical, or legal license, do I qualify for the extension ending January 1st, 2029? Answer. No. If you choose to work under the limited waiver on enforcement and do not obtain a permanent board SLI educational, medical, or legal license, you do not qualify for the extension ending January 1st, 2029. Resources and contact information as of September 30th, 2025. Please note, the information and links below are likely to change as of January 1st, 2026 due to changes in SB 950, 2025 and the completion of rulemaking. SLI Supervisory License Application Form https://www.oregon.gov/SLI_supervisory_sign_language_interpreter_application.pdf. How to get licensed. https://www.oregon.gov/OHA/pages/board-sign-language-interpreters-supervisory board-license.aspx. Fees. Application, $150. 1-year license, $200. SLI Generalist License. Application form, https://www.oregon.gov/oha//forms/SLI-generalist_sign_org_application.pdf. How to get licensed. https://www.oregon.gov/oha/pages/board-sign-language-interpreters-standard-license.aspx. Fees. Application, $100. 1-year license, $150. SLI Provisional License. Application form, https://www.oregon.gov/sign_language_interpreter_application.pdf. How to get licensed. https://www.oregon.gov/ph/board-sign-language-interpreters-provisional-license.aspx. Fees. Application, $75. 1-year license, $100. Resource information. Meeting information. https://www.oregon.gov/pages/board-sign-language-interpreters-meetings.aspx. Meeting videos. https://www.120ZQ-W-X521TYII. Current rules and laws. https://www.oregon.gov/pages/board-sign-language-interpreters-laws-rules-rules.aspx. How to receive up-to-date board information. https://public.govdelivery.com/accounts/ORHA/signup/38181. Contact information. Licensing questions. Michael Brennan, 503-934-5009. michael.a.brennan@oha.oregon.gov. Board meeting or rulemaking questions. Josh Page, 503-934-0720. josh.page@oha.oregon.gov. Board membership questions. Chrissy Pickett, 503-378-2093. Chrissy.Pickett@oha.oregon.gov.